Hi, this is Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and I just wanted to let you know about a cool new accessory that's available for some of your BERNINA 8 Series sergers and your burnettes. Our friend Mary Beck over at BERNINA of America is going to tell you all about the new belt loop attachments.
Hello, my name is Mary Beck and I'm an educator and the Overlocker specialist with BERNINA of America. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach and use the belt loop folder number C30. The belt loop folders come in 3 sizes: a small, medium, and large. On the belt loop folder, you are given measurements in millimeters as to the finish width and the cutting width. The small belt loop folder is cut at 20 millimeters and finishes at 10 millimeters or about 3/8 of an inch. The medium belt loop folder cuts at 30 millimeters and finishes at 15 millimeters or about 5/8 of an inch. The large belt loop folder cuts at 40 millimeters and finishes at 20 millimeters or about 3/4 of an inch. The belt loop folder attaches to the cover stitch insert of the L890 using the accessories holder and the appropriate screws. The stitch you will use will be a wide cover stitch, whether it is the 3-thread wide cover stitch or the 4-thread wide cover stitch. This accessory is compatible with a variety of feet that include the standard overlock combo foot C11, the cover chain stitch foot C13, the cover stitch compensating foot C12, and the clear foot C27. This accessory can also be used on our burnette cover stitch machines, which are the B42, B48, B62, and B68. And you can use the standard foot and the clear foot. I have the machine set up for the 4-thread cover stitch, stitch number 21, and I've attached the cover and chain stitch foot C13. Begin by attaching the accessories holder to the cover stitch insert. Insert the belt loop folder into the accessories holder and secure with the included screw. Then push the folder all the way forward and adjust the position using the locking screw on the accessories holder. You can lower the foot to help with placement. You want to make sure that the exit of the attachment is close to the foot but not touching the foot. Center the exit of the attachment on the cover stitch needles. Cut a point on the end of your strip to make it easier to insert into the attachment. Then use your tweezers to advance the fabric through, and both the left and the right side will fold under. Place the strip under the presser foot and begin to sew. After you've sewn a few inches, check the back and make sure the cover stitch is covering both raw edges. If you need to adjust it, just loosen the screw and slide the attachment to the left or the right. When you get to the end, you'll swing the attachment out of the way. Bring your needle threads forward and remove the project from the machine. And then you can cut your strip into the desired size for your belt loops.
Well, thanks so much for watching this video with me, and thank you so much, Mary, for your time that you took to make that video. And if you want to see more videos like this one, or some humorous ones, or very serious videos, don't forget to check out our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel. It's easy. You just go to youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Happy serging!